Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we would like to show you how to make the traditional peanut milk. I'm so excited, are you? It looks so good, I can't wait. It's creamy, nutty, and of course super yummy too. In the rainy day, just a sip of hot peanut milk can make you feel better. Trust me, haha. Now let's get started. With peanut milk, we don't need to soak peanuts like other nuts. After a quick rinse, 1 cup peanuts in cold water, we need to tap it dry. And roast peanut with half teaspoon of salt until golden brown. Woo! Now peanuts into blender with 48 ounce water, 3 tablespoons sugar. So far simple, right? Press soy milk and start. If you want to buy Instant Pot, please see the link below. It's super great. If you don't have Instant Pot blender, you could use blenders that could use for nuts. Blend peanuts. Use strainer to strain the peanuts after that. Cook it with the pot with small bunch of pandan leaves. Remember to stir constantly until boil. Ooh, wow. Isn't that cool? When it comes to 5 minutes left, press pause. Add small bunch of pandan leaves, then start again. Ooh. It looks so tasty, right? After it's done, off the blender, let it cool down around 1 hour. Strain it through the strainer bag for smoother milk. Or just drink it that way. Well, I prefer the strainer bag because I like it better. We have 1 liter peanut milk, yeah! Who doesn't want a sip of hot, yummy peanut milk in a cold morning? Taste it once, you will want to try again and again and again. Believe me. Thank you for watching our video. Bye! Bye!